to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Dancing is an amusing activity. It helps me to flow with the rhythm of music and create fascinating steps. But dancing is also desirable for physical fitness. It gives you strength to your muscles, it gives you a good balance and even flexibility. It gives you a great self confidence and even mental functioning. There are so many dance forms in this world, but among them, our Indian classical dance have their own significance. Bharatnatyam is the best Indian classical dance. Myself, Rutubi Raju, and have been learning Bharatnatyam since past 8 years in Drishti Foundation. I'm studying in 10th standard. Learning Bharatnatyam has given me a lot of benefits. Bharatnatyam has helped me to focus, it helps me to concentrate on particular thing which has increased my memory and also helped a lot in my studies. Bharatnatyam has given me self-confidence which has also affected my social life. Bharatnatyam is not an easy thing to learn. It is not a bed of roses, of course. Bharatnatyam helps me to connect with my mind. It helps me to bring out my thoughts. It helps me to imagine a lot of things. I can bring out my inner thoughts with the facial expressions and physical appearance. Bharatnatyam has also given me stage courage. The courage to face the huge crowd and the desire to get appreciation from each one of them. Learning Bharatnatyam is not an easy thing for me, but Bharatnatyam has taught me how to smile at difficult times. Hence, Bharatnatyam can be called as artistic yoga because we get the same benefits as yoga. Dance is the hidden language of your soul. Dance is the therapy of your soul. Follow your dreams, follow your passion.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Hello friends, my name is Aishwarya. Now I am going to tell you about Bharatnatyam and yoga. How we use yoga in Bharatnatyam. Let's see. Tadasana. Tada means a mountain, and in Bharatnatyam we use it like a Samapada. Second one is Veerabhadrasana, means a warrior, and in Bharatnatyam we use it like a Alidha. Third one is Vrikshasana, means a tree. In Bharatnatyam we use it like a Ekapada Sthanakam. Fourth one is Garudasana, and in Bharatnatyam we call it Nagabandha Satapvaram. Fifth one is Anjaneyasana, and in Bharatnatyam we use it like a Garudasana. Sixth one is Natarajasana. In Bharatnatyam we use it like a Nataraj pose. Dance and yoga asanas becomes a meditation, these postures being to take symbolic significance. Yoga and dance are combined. Dance as kind of a yoga, such it represents new developments. Thank you.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Namaste, myself Praniti V. Kundargi and I am from Drishti Foundation. I am here to tell some information of benefits of Bharatnatyam. So it is very benefit to our body, and I have joined Bharatnatyam at the age of 8 years. So Bharatnatyam is like a yoga, and we know that yoga helps in the maintenance of fitness and good health. First, it gives a wonderful cardio workout, improves blood circulation, tones of a muscle, and is very good for bone density. Bharatnatyam has both mental and physical benefits. Bharatnatyam is a form of Indian classical dance and has been traditional dance. It is the combination of expressions, melody and rhythm. The three primary elements of Bharatnatyam are Nritya, means body movements and posture. Ritta highlights the body movements and rhythm. Natya highlights significance of poem and drama. The basic steps of Bharatnatyam are adose. It helps in many ways, improves body balance, help and improves the flexibility, develops concentration, benefits to the heart, help in controlling body weight, etc. So you may ask that what is the right age of to join the Bharatnatyam? Most of girls start learning at the age of 5 or 6, but the best age to learn is at the age of 10 or 12 years old. However, I know many ladies who are middle-aged and the mothers giving classical dance their first try. So thank you and bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Namaste, I am Chinmayi. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and the Dusty Foundation who gave encouragement for Bharatnatyam. First of all, Bharatnatyam and yoga are the same. I get euphoria by Bharatnatyam and yoga. Bharatnatyam and yoga are the two faces of a single coin. If we choose Bharatnatyam, we get refreshed by doing dance and all by physically. If we choose yoga, we get refreshed by mentally to breathing air in and out. Bharatnatyam is an achievement then through which you can express your feelings, emotions by dance. Yoga is an achievement through which you can express your happiness by sitting calm and quiet. Bharatnatyam will burn out your calories by doing dance, which is fit for your health, and it is also giving more benefit to your health. Yoga will give you more amount of oxygen in your body, which will reach your all parts of body and makes it work faster. And yoga and Bharatnatyam are the same. Totally, yoga and Bharatnatyam is a way of euphoria. Thank you and all, have a nice day.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Bharatnatyam and yoga are two ways that exist, help us to understand the manifestation and divine in the human form. Both of these wonderful arts are products of the Sanatan Dharma, which is the bedrock of Indian culture. As an art form, Bharatnatyam demands serious understanding of body, mind and emotions.
Bharatnatyam is designed in such a way that every movement we practiced on right side is also practiced on left side. So both sides of the body are equally used while dancing, resulting in midbrain activation and boosts memory and learning abilities.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.
Namaste, I'm Chetna from Bijapur. So, I'm going to tell about Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam gave me a unique dance spirit, concentration, confidence and happiness. Moreover that, it kept me very fit. So, and it also improves the blood circulation, knee elementary, nerves disorders, knee ailment, cardio workout and so on. So there are many ways can be restored by doing the dance called Bharatanatyam. Mudras helps in regenerating and restoring the weak parts of body. Bharatanatyam dancing and yoga doing such a fitness works are not so different. Thank you and have a happy day.
Welcome to Srini Amba Dance Meditation.